Are you having problems falling asleep or staying asleep? Does restless sleep make you feel tired, look tired, and make you less productive? Get the quality sleep you've always wanted without costly habit-forming medications. Sleep Easy is the safe, effective, and comfortable sleep solution you need to fall asleep faster, sleep deeper, and wake up refreshed. Inventor Dr. Richard Chua of ESMO Technologies in Singapore explains his breakthrough MI Cloud patented technology is the key to Sleep Easy's effectiveness. The Sleep Easy creates an encompassing magnetic interference cloud, which immediately improves blood circulation, increases oxygen saturation in the blood, and decreases snoring by improving airflow. Infrared imaging shows increased blood flow within 1 to 2 minutes, helping people to quickly fall asleep. Extremely easy to use, simply assemble the Sleep Easy pillow, place it under your pillow below your neck, then relax and breathe deeply through your nose as you quickly and safely fall deep asleep. Use it continuously without a care, knowing your Sleep Easy is safe, green, and maintenance-free.